Hello! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Infinite Soul. Liking this look? Link in the description, please check. So, आज की वीडियो है about getting unready. Just removing my makeup, starting with the eyes. Removing my eyelashes very first, then I'm just gonna apply some micellar water and wiping the all dark eyeshadows. सारे जितना भी मैंने अपनी आँखों पर लगाया हुआ है सब मैं हटाऊंगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस कॉटन वाइप एंड मिसेलर वाटर. Now I'm removing the residual makeup with the help of this good wipe cleansing milk and applying some on my face and massaging this on my face, giving my face a good massage. Oil-based makeup removers are the best, guys, to remove your makeup. You can just massage any oil, baby oil I'll suggest, and or you can use any cleansing milk. You can just apply on your face अच्छे से massage करके. Just take a clean cotton wipe and wipe all the makeup you have on your face. Now I'm taking a clean wipe, cotton wipe, and removing the remaining makeup which is left on my face. I'm taking Good Vibes green tea toner and spraying some on my face. Your skin will absorb this more faster when you tap it on your face. और थोड़ी सी हवा कर दो अपने face को. Then also. Now I'm applying some moisturizer which is from Elf Goodness Saffron, and just gonna apply this on my face with using my fingers. In winters you should take some extra for your skin. Always apply some moisturizer or just try to hydrate your skin as much as you can. So this is the basic CTM routine, guys: cleansing, toning, moisturizing. And thank you so much for watching my video. If you are liking this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you need something new. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.